service alarm tone. During potentially dangerous... You are listening to News Weather Radio, K-West 039, serving marine interests on Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Tenchwater, Illinois, and Indiana shores, and Chicago. The current time is 11:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time. 2 feet. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana for today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: high, swim, risk. Discussion: gusty northeast winds will produce high waves along the Lake Michigan shore this morning, resulting in dangerous swimming conditions at Lake Michigan beaches. Winds and waves will slowly subside this afternoon. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. Friday, limited thunderstorm risk late Friday night. Saturday, limited thunderstorm risk. Significant excessive heat risk.